Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting problem in which we have to find the value of a and b, and we are given a plus b equals to 6. Name this equation as 1, and a cube plus b cube equals to 342. Name this equation as 2. Now as we know, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b times a square plus b square minus ab. So apply this formula in our problem. We get a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b times a square plus b square minus ab. This can be further written as a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab. So if you look at these terms, this will form a plus b whole square. So we get a cube plus b cube equals to a plus b whole square minus 3ab. So we will substitute the value of a cube plus b cube and a plus b from equation 1 and equation 2. So on substituting the respective values, we get 342 equals 6 square minus 3ab. Now divide both sides by 6. We get 57 equals to 36 minus 3ab. Now subtract 36 from both sides. We get 36 minus 3ab. They will get cancelled out and we get 21 equals to minus 3ab. Now divide both sides by 3. We get 7 equals to minus ab. So from here b equals to 7 over minus a, that is minus 7 over a. Now substitute the value of b in equation 1. We get a plus minus 7 over a equals to 6, that is a minus 7 over a equals to 6. Now on taking LCM, we get a square minus 7 over a equals to 6. On cross multiply, we get a square minus 7 equals to 6a. So bring this 6a to the left hand side. We get a square minus 6a minus 7 equals to 0. We can rewrite this as minus 7a plus a minus 7 equals to 0. So taking a common, we get a minus 7 plus 1, a minus 7 equals to 0. So we get a plus 1 times a minus 7 equals to 0. So from here we get two values of a, that is minus 1 and 7. Now we will substitute these values of a in b equals to minus 7 over a, so that we get two respective values of b. So when b equals to minus 7 over minus 1, we get the value of b equals to 7, and when b equals to minus 7 over 7, we get the value of b equals to minus 1. So we get the respective values of a and b. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.